Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to ignore group chat in Messenger. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Messenger app, and once you open your Messenger app you will end up in this kind of interface. Now simply select the group you want to ignore. From the menu bar you can select the mute option. Once you tap on mute, you can select any of the alternative of what kind of mute or ignorance you want to do and hit the OK button. And you can also select a time slot till when you want to ignore the group chat. So simply select it and hit the OK button. So once you do this, you'll get the bell icon beside the group chat, and this is how you ignore group chat on Messenger. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.